Alright, y'all, we pulled the single cylinder back out. I think this the third gen. This isn't my latest one. It's probably 1 or 2 gens from my latest, but we're gonna see how it runs. Oh, snap. Sound like my intake coming off or something. Something's always happening, bro, when I'm running the engine. Hold on, I see the problem. You see that? You see the intake? I see the problem. 3rd gen intake, bro. Next revision on my models, I gotta work on that intake, because this is where all the pressure is building up and it's like causing it to like rip apart every time. Gotta do something about that. But hold on, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. I added a little bit of glue around the intake and tried to like press it down. And let's see. I ain't even gotta hold it. Now we're getting some rotation. All right, we're back. They sound too good. Sounds crisp. Look at this thing.